Hi, I'm Graham from Boatshed and Midi Canals. Come and join me for a look around this Aqualine Voyager 60. It's pretty impressive. Very well equipped helm, it's C category navigation. This is a really spacious convivial wheelhouse. The sides do fold down. I can't think when you'd ever need it, certainly not here in France. Our vendors sadly haven't seen this boat for a number of years due to COVID and other reasons. As you can see, there's a little bit of work needed to be done to make it look gorgeous again, but the standard of construction, the quality is absolutely impressive. All the portholes open, which is security hatch aft. Those two beds are 2 meters long by 90 maximum wide, and there's almost 2 meters of headroom down here as well. So this is your guest aft cabin, owner's master cabin, right up forward, so nice and intimate. Separate heads here, electric heads, and there's a completely independent shower just on the opposite side of the cabin. Plenty of storage space under the beds as well. I'll say totally independent shower down here. Over 1,000 litres of water on board, so you can even wash your bike. Actually, it's obviously in there because it's winterized at the moment. Central heating throughout. It's an AL diesel fired central heating system, which I believe heats the hot water as well. There is also a hot water tank which is heated from the 220 and from the engine. Now, I said this big convivial wheelhouse, very nearly 2 meters of headroom here, very bright. That table, both the flap sleeves open up. Easily get half a dozen people around there. Let's make our way down to the main accommodation. It's a 2011 boat, by the way. Beta Iveco 147 horse engine was under my feet as I walked through the wheelhouse. Now just look at this galley. Slide out cooker hood, slide out, and that's floor to ceiling. The quality of the installation, the quality of materials, really impressive, and there's so much worktop space. Washing machine under there, the fridge here, you've got another fridge up in the wheelhouse, a drawer type fridge up in the wheelhouse. Absolutely super. Now have a look at this. I hope this comes out. Open the drawer, the contents come out to greet you, and the normally totally wasted space slides across as well, so you can access it. Really sweet. And there's over 2 meters of headroom here, 2 meters 10 actually here in the galley. It's really bright and spacious. There's a winter cover over the pigeon box at the moment, so it would be even brighter without that on. But lovely warm honey coloured wood. So the quality of the materials and the construction is really impressive. See more radiators there from the Aldous central heating. just make our way down this corridor on the starboard side, which leads to the heads, which it's day heads from this door, but you have your own private door in from the forward cabin as well. Now look at the space. So the bed here is 2 meters long by 1.4 wide. It reduces to about 1.3 at the foot. Houdini hatch there, opening portholes. Couple of full-length lockers and other storage, and a massive amount of storage under the bed as well. And there you can see, look, more radiators. This really is a cruising home. Just over the 18 meters long, well under the 20 meter Trivy rule. A quality cruising home you can be really proud of. It's got 2 black water tanks as well as 2 freshwater tanks, over 1,000 litres of diesel. If you'd like any more information, I'm Graham from Boatshed MIDI Canals. All my contact details are on the information page at boatshedmidicanals.com. I'd be pleased to hear from you.